time has come. Okay. 3, 2, 1. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I got a very special instrument. If you know me personally or just from the internet, you know I play the bass guitar and the electric guitar. Hence, the Fender Squire that I customized. This guitar is special to me because it's full American. None of that Mexican bullshit or anything like that. This is a guitar I've been waiting for probably as long as I can remember. So, yeah, let's crack this bad boy open. You know, I'd really think to use an actual knife other than a kitchen knife. Keep in mind, I really hope this thing is in one piece. It came all the way from California. Summer shipping, it should be fine. Aha, here we go. Bubble wrap. How thoughtful. We don't need this. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, look at that. Obviously this isn't as exciting for you guys, but for me, it's gonna make my day probably my whole year. This probably isn't the logical way to open a guitar, but for me, it kind of is. Whoops. Alright. Alright. Oh, thank God. There's a lock on here. I am so glad it's not locked. Flip this around the other direction. Kind of better. I will get a couple up-close clips. It's gonna be my first reaction. Let's push this again. Gosh darn it. Well, fantastic guitar. Please tell me this isn't locked. Okay, good, thank God. Is this locked? Are you SOBing me? Is this thing actually locked? There better be a key in this box somewhere. I have to make a quick phone call or something to attempt to open this thing up. Okay, we're back. Here's the situation. I did manage to pop this open. I popped this off in the process. I'll fix it. If the key is in here, I'll be fine. If it's not, I'll have to get the guy again. My mom and I actually managed to pick this thing out. I still haven't opened it yet. I haven't seen nothing. I'm just gonna put this right back over here. I cannot believe that happened. I cannot. There we go, that's better. Alright. The time has come. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! Dear Lord! Ooh. Not in tune, obviously. This thing is gorgeous! Yes. Say hi to YouTube, fam. Oh God. No, say hi to the viewers. Alright. What do you think of that? I'm getting this thing up close to you guys. Look at that. Thing is gorgeous. I don't care what anybody else says. This thing is gorgeous. It's got a maple neck, pearl diamond inlays. Look at this right back here. Good old US of A. Good Lord Almighty. I'm gonna get a thumb rest and I'm gonna screw it into there. But oh my God, it has a string through body to support remote resonance, and I think that's how I'm gonna actually string this thing. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. I will get more clips for this. I'm gonna set this right here for now while I continue down this journey of a guitar. Again, if the key's not in here, I'm gonna do something else, but this is a very, very nice case. Very nice case. You said you put all the extra goodies in here. I really do hope that's true. This clip's open. Yep, we got the original Fender strap. Take a look at that. Nice. Fender stickers. All the original documentation. Yes! I found the key! I found the key! Thank God! Everything in here. This. Oh my Goodness gracious. This is a relic metal pickguard. I'm gonna leave it on there. You swap that out, I'm gonna leave it. I think it looks pretty nasty. Yep, the original screws and everything for this is right in here. But I'm gonna leave this in here and probably file it off to the side for safekeeping. But again, I am so glad the keys are in this thing, or else I would have been a little ticked off. But regardless, this guitar is absolutely gorgeous. And speaking of me being excited and all happy and flabbergasted and everything, I need to speak to you guys, the audience. I don't know how to explain this. I'll make another video saying something else, nothing bad. I've got a milestone on my channel I would have never thought would be possible. I got to 1,000 subscribers. And I could not be more gracious for all of you. For all of you who've been here through over the years and just everything. I just can't imagine this channel being here without you. And this lovely guitar. But seriously, you guys are absolutely incredible. What you guys have done for me is, I can't even express how happy I am to have 1,000 subscribers plus 1,002 or something like that on this channel. Again, you guys are absolutely incredible. This was almost like a special thing for me, and you guys are special to me. That's why I shared this with you. Music is a big part of my life. I got another Squire bass right behind me. Got another one up in the corner, and this one is an American Fender American Select P bass, 2012 to be exact. This thing, I can't even describe to you in words how gorgeous this thing is in person. It's got a couple nicks and scratches all over the place, but besides that, it's in almost pristine condition. The neck is actually extremely smooth. My hands are sweaty, so that's why it's well sticking. But anyways, this guitar means the world to me. You guys do. Thank you for all the support. I can't even begin to describe it. Thank you guys very, very much. And again, I'll see you with my next video. Until then, subscribe. Just please subscribe. You guys are amazing. I'll be doing some videos with this for sure. And again, thank you. And until next time, guys, make sure to stay tuned for more.